Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to create a custom navigation menu in Shopify, and it will be a complete breakdown video. I will discuss step by step process throughout the video. So be focused on this video. A custom menu helps the customers easily find products, collections, pages, and many more, which improves the shopping experience and boosts sales. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So first of all, we are going to talk about the Shopify. So Shopify is a platform where you can easily create your website without knowing about coding. So here you can see the one commerce platform behind it all. Sell online and in person, sell locally and globally. So here you can easily create website by using Shopify. If you see the pricing, they provide free plan for us. It's approx 3 days trial version. So if you love this, then you can shift to the premium plan, and if you start the free plan, then you will get monthly $1 charges for you. So here you can see we are using the trial version over here, 3 days left in your trial. And as you can see, this is our front end design of our website. It's really amazing. In this free platform, it's really great to get this kind of features on this, like it is all in one options. Then our main goal is to navigations menu, make a custom navigation. So here, as you can see, this is the menu. It's called menu, home, catalog, and contact. So here you just need to be click on themes. Once you click over here into the themes, there is a couple options we have that's called pages, then preference. So here from your Shopify dashboard, you just need to be click on online store on the left menu, then click on navigation. So here you will get the navigation options in the preference. Just click on this. Here you can see this called detaching. Okay, this have some options which is not essential right now. So here you just need to be click on pages. So here you can see we have pages called contact. Then if you want to add a navigation, that you just need to be go over here and just find out called content options. There is scroll down, and this is the content, and here you will get bunch of options called meta object, files, menus. So in this menu option, you just need to select this one, and here you will see for existing menu like main menu, which is located in top navigation, but then we have footer menu, which is located in bottom of your store. To create a custom menu, you can either edit an existing one or create a new one. It's totally depend on you. So let's go and talk about how you can create a new menu. You just need to be click on this create menu. Just click over here, then name your menu something like shop by category or top product. So I am going to give a name that will be top products, and then eventually, and here you can see this is the handle. I can say this called the URL over here. So let's click on save, and our menu has been saved. So now I am going to add menu item. So that for reason, just click on add menu item. Give your menu item a name. For example, it could be a hoodies. Let's add hoodies, and then give a link over here. I will give a link. So I don't have any collections or products, I have some pages, so I will add this one contact and then add it here. Like you can add collections to link to a product category, then product page, blog, or post a custom URL. Click add to confirm each item. Just click on save. Once it's saved, then now eventually you can visit it whenever you want. So let's go ahead and talk about create a drop down menus. So how you can do it? It's really simple. Like if you want to drop down under menu item, simply drag and drop links under a top level item and indent them slightly. This create a nested menu. Explain, like let's add couple of menu, that will be main, and then I'm going to add homepage as a main, then I will add this one. Now let's add it, then add a couple of other, that will be t-shirts, and let's give a hyphen middle of this. Then let's click on search and let's add it here, and similarly add another menu that will be hoodies. We have hoodies, so I am going to drag it, drop here, and now here you can see it become nested here. I'm going to delete this one. Before delete this one, I will click over here, remove, and I will make it more. So I will give it to input here. So let's go and let's try it. So now here you can see this become a drop down menu. So let's save it. This appear as a drop down when someone hovers or click main on your storefront. You just need to be click save menu when you are done. I have did, so our menu has been done. So now you just need to be add custom menu to your store. How you can do it? It's really easy one. Now you connect the menu to your storefront layout. So you just need to be go to the online store. Once you come over here, then you will by chance selected themes. Here you just need to be click on customize. Once you click over here, then it will redirect you to the editor panel where you can easily edit your header to your template, footer, whatever you want, you add it in your website. So here you just need to be select this header. So just select header, then you will get the options in the right corner called header editing option. Here you can see we have the option. First option is logo position, so you can change your logo over that place. Here you can see, then you can fix the mobile logo positions also. Just now you just need to be choose the menu you just created, for example our top product. So I will come over here, and here you can see in the menu next to the mobile logo positions we have main menu selected. So I will replace it. Just click on replace, and here you can see top products has been come over here, and here you can see that our drop down menu is working. So if you want to change the layout, you are allowed to change it. Like here we have this color scheme, menu scheme, so I will make it this one, and then here you can see our menu color scheme has been changed. Then you have utilities like additional things, you are allowed to change it. Let's click on this one, manage customer. Here you can fit. So in this way you can change all the necessary things if it is needed. Now here you can change the menu bar. You can make it drawer, like here as you can see it. You can make it mega menu if it is needed. Then you can make it drop down menu. There is the options you have. So after completing all the necessary things, you just need to be click save and preview it. Just click on save. Once you click over here, it has been done, that our menu setup are done, and we are going to saw our website now. Let's refresh it, and eventually you can preview your store now perfectly. Your new navigation menu is now live and fully functional. So if you want to, let me give you a bonus tip, that is custom styling option. If you are using a premium theme or custom HTML section, some themes allows mega menus, icon next to links, then custom fonts, colors for menu items. You can use the theme editor or liquid files if you want full customizations. So let's wrap up the video here. If you found out this video was really helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Whatever you are selling, clothing, gadget or digital product, navigation key is successful for our store. So let's wrap up the video here. I will catch you in the next video.